So, how much maintenance does a Tesla really need? Compared to gas cars, Teslas require significantly less. You'll skip oil changes, spark plug replacements, and exhaust system repairs. Tesla officially recommends servicing your vehicle every 12,500 miles, 20,000 kilometers, or annually, whichever comes first, but many owners find they can go longer without issues. Let's break down what that maintenance actually entails. Tesla's official service schedule focuses on key inspections and maintenance items. This includes checking and topping up fluids like brake fluid, recommended every 2 years or 25,000 miles. Another key item is tire rotations. The schedule also includes replacing cabin air filters. A crucial aspect is Tesla's over-the-air software updates. These updates handle firmware, autopilot features, and battery management, essentially taking care of maintenance digitally. These elements form Tesla's official service schedule. The most common maintenance task for Tesla vehicles is tire replacement. Tesla's high-performance tires wear faster due to their design and can cost between $200 and $400 each when replaced. Tesla brakes are designed to last over 100,000 miles thanks to regenerative braking technology that slows the vehicle using the electric motor. However, performance models like the Plaid may require brake rotor replacements every 20,000 to 30,000 miles, costing $500 to $1,000 per event. Cabin air filters in Tesla vehicles need replacement every 2 years or 25,000 miles to maintain air quality inside the vehicle. This is a simple task that costs typically under $50. Wiper blades are replaced as they wear out, which is infrequent. Wheel alignments are occasionally needed for optimal handling and tire wear, costing between $100 and $200. Battery replacements are extremely rare for Tesla owners and are typically covered under the vehicle's warranty for 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles, depending on the model. On average, Tesla owners spend around $500 to $1,000 per year on maintenance. This includes routine tasks like tire rotations, fluid checks, and cabin air filter replacements. Compared to traditional gasoline vehicles, which average $1,500 to $2,000 annually, Teslas offer significant savings. The savings come primarily from Tesla's electric powertrain design. Unlike internal combustion engines, Teslas eliminate the need for oil changes, spark plugs, timing belts, and exhaust system maintenance. However, Tesla-specific tires can be more expensive, typically costing $200 to $400 each due to their performance specifications. Factors like tire type and driving conditions influence replacement costs. Overall, the shift to electric powertrains provides substantial long-term savings for Tesla owners, with estimates showing $1,000 to $2,500 saved annually compared to traditional gasoline vehicles. One of the most exciting trends is the rise of AI in Tesla maintenance. Teslas use telematics to predict potential issues before they occur, allowing for early intervention and significantly reducing maintenance costs. Over-the-air updates now include autonomous calibration of systems like suspension and brakes, further minimizing the need for physical service visits. This AI integration is expected to lower maintenance costs by 20 to 30% over the next decade. New Teslas come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile limited warranty, with powertrain coverage extending up to 8 years, 100,000 to 150,000 miles, depending on the model. Tesla's mobile service option brings repairs directly to you, reducing downtime and increasing convenience. This service includes many of the common maintenance tasks, like tire rotations and filter replacements. Real-world experiences with Tesla maintenance vary depending on driving habits and model type. One Model 3 owner in California reported spending under $800 on maintenance over 3 years, primarily on tires and fluid checks. However, Model S Plaid owners might need brake rotor replacements more frequently due to regenerative braking heat. Fleet studies show that Tesla fleets experience significantly fewer service visits compared to gasoline car fleets, saving around $1.50 per mile in maintenance. Looking ahead, Tesla maintenance is expected to become even more streamlined as battery technology continues to improve. As battery technology advances, degradation rates will decrease, allowing for significantly extended service intervals. Predictive analytics will create personalized service schedules for each vehicle, potentially saving owners up to $2,000 over the vehicle's lifetime. Tesla's commitment to near zero maintenance through advanced AI will revolutionize vehicle ownership.